Chapter 2, we are going to explain some of the advantages. Point number 1, as we have mentioned before, compact design.
Additionally, I can stack our quick, all thanks to the stacking kit. That way, I can place it anywhere in the kitchen and make the most of the space in my establishment.
Point number 2, plug and play, the connection.
Single phase that allows me to connect my equipment without any installation anywhere in my store.
Quick, simple, and let's get to work.
Part 3, catalytic filter, which allows me to have a smoke-free and odor-free environment. And I do not need to have an external extractor hood.
Part number 4,
Detachable camera. We remove the tray. We have 6 screws, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top, and 1 on each side, and we remove the camera. Front part, slide upwards, part that cannot go in the dishwasher due to the gasket, the rubber, and using the recommended Mychef products for cleaning. The rest of the parts can go in the dishwasher without any problem.
With this, we achieve a much easier and more convenient cleaning.
Part 5, Mychef Cloud. You can stay connected with your team wherever you are, able to manage all your equipment with just one app.